Hello. How? Yes. How are you? All right. I will listen to you. First, you settle down and then share with me whatever is your state now after almost 1 month or 2 weeks. I don't remember actually the dates. Almost 1 month, I think. Yes, yes. 30th September you went, and now it's 5th of November. You will share. You first settle down at one place. Uh, yes. Then I will be able to listen to you. Okay, before we go ahead, I just want to ask you, what is the purpose behind today's session? Means you have booked the session, but what is your purpose behind? Hmm. All right, good, good. So now I will guide you how to go ahead with the session. First of all, you need to settle down at a place from where you can take the session in a better way. Hmm. Yes. So so first formality is to diagnose you. Okay. So you need to open your spectacles, and I will diagnose you and show me your hand one by one after that. Yes. First you look into the camera. First you look into the camera without this. Yes. All right. Now show me your hand one by one. Right hand first, and then left hand. Yes. And now the left hand. All right. Relax now. Close your eyes and concentrate on your body, especially your head region. If you feel any strong vibration in your third eye and slowly towards the crown, you can have a check. Yes. And along your spine, in your full body, if you feel my presence or yes. Hmm. Very good. Hmm. Okay. All I will I will explain you what it is, and today's session will be first step is I can see the garland, Rudraksh garland again in your neck. So I want you to throw it away right now. Why did you put it? I don't know. Just to connect. Throw it in the that just throw it away. Garbage. Yes, I want you to do that right now. Otherwise, again you will wear it. Yes, good. Yes, don't go back. These are all chains which will bind you again. These are all Maya chains, metrics which will call you again. All right. Now let me guide you towards today's session. Today's session, I will be making you aware about Kundalini, negative ions, and it will be a shift to you for new study, new research, new implementation. Before that, you can share with me whatever you have experienced after going home after this physical Shakti path. and then what happened in your life in the last 1 month. You can give me a brief account of it. Yes, yes, very good, brilliant. This means that the powerful energy, Kundalini, the Shakti path, has entered your system, and that is why you could feel it. Means your Kundalini is now connected to me. This means that you are not separate from this divine powers. You are part of that power. So anything that happens in you is due to the connection with the Guru, and that is a very powerful sign that still I am working in you through the Shakti path which I have given you through my presence in 7 days. Yes, good. Tell me about the reaction or the response of your wife as you met, as because you have been telling that she was a changed person, your home was changed, you were changed. So I want to know this in detail. What happened exactly? Hmm. Hmm. This instinctively, this means that my knowing is correct. I told you that your journey is now going to be infectious, in the sense that if you are going to be powerful, then your wife will get free also. You were the blockage in her freedom, you can say that. Because yes, yes. Hmm. So you got free, she is getting free, and this is what I exactly wanted to happen. So very good. You both are in a very good state. Now, my task to you was to keep on writing the diary as you feel. So, did you write that? Means continuously. Hmm. Hmm. Yes, came as a realization. Means whatever you wrote is not based on mind's thinking, it is based on what you felt or the shifts you experienced and everything. Good. And how you are liking the activity? Are you enjoying it? Good. Good. So you are speaking only what you are feeling and not what you are thinking, or not out of patterns. This means that you have changed the response towards life. This means you have consciously choosing to speak a word, or you remain silent, or you don't speak at all, but not speaking from the mind. And this is the shift you have experienced. Great. Now the third, yes, you can tell me. No, no, you can continue. This means you are always in the present. You are always in the present, and you are not able to connect to anything of the past and future. So very good state to be. And now the next thing, the next task was to have physical intimacy with your wife. Did you do that task? Yes. I, d- yes, I know that in your stage, this kind of intimacy will happen. It did not have to be the so-called of the mind, the sexual activity. of the mind, the intercourse of the mind, but I want you to experience that the extreme level of Tantra. And let me tell you, your diagnosis is certain 1% of testosterone has increased in you. And I could sense 1% a shift towards masculine energy that was totally missing in you. And this is due to the intimacy with your wife, which I wanted to happen. Now, this will be very much challenging. It is like level 2 now. From here till the next 30 days, you can take sessions, book sessions of 15 minutes or 30 minutes, anytime, whenever you feel it. But for 30 days, it is like next level teaching I will be giving you, and next level of actions you need to take. About I will give you clarity about coming coming in April for the physical session. I will give you clarity that the next year is going to be different from what you have experienced now, and I will guide you towards that to become eligible to reach to that point. That coming here will be a next level leap in your journey. Okay, so it will be mostly in the mountains, not in the city. Even if it is 6 months, 8 months, or 1 year, but it will be the next, will be living the instinctive life with me, and maybe that plan will be different than the normal physical Shakti path. It could be a project where you and your wife are coming to that place for and living there for 1 month. During that 1 month duration, you will be having sessions with me, maybe 3 sessions, 5 sessions, 10 sessions. But everything will be to learn the instinctive life, which practically you will learn in such environment. And you will get that environment to train your brain and nervous system the next life for your growth, for your prosperity. And it will be connected to processing Kundalini. It will be connected to how to do the sadhanas to get powers if you are eligible, and knowing how the existence exists in you as you experientially. No more esoteric meaning, nothing, everything practical. It's like packing your bags and just getting ready for the next thing. So within 1 year period, all your job and formalities and everything should be over, and after that the next life of you and your wife to become a health coach. I will be guiding that as health coach, because I don't want to mix the esoteric meaning of healing again, which is again misused or abused. So you both, yes, both of you will be health coach, and the training starts from today itself. So I will guide you towards what is coming next. Before that, I'm happy to have you as a student who has worked on yourself, and now we are going to the next level. All right. So, and all your efforts in sports, in your cycling, and every investment of 67 years is going to benefit you now by gaining the intelligence behind what is missing, what was missing. Why do you have chest pain? I will give you the explanation about it, and everything that will make sense through the experiential learning what is coming up. All right. Now, a few questions to you. Have you been watching your videos which are published on YouTube? The Instinctive Life Project with Bo? Yes. Yes. So, yes, because it is, yes. 1 second. I have a call to attend. Can I just take a break for 1 minute? Yes. I'll call you back. 1 second. Yes. Yes.